When the Muslim people hear about us, we will do this today. This demonstration. They said, okay, we will go as well to everybody, and we'll tell we don't like anybody. We didn't like anybody to come involved to Egyptian inside Egyptian. We don't like anybody. We don't like anybody to come. So are you gonna go to continue this to help us and support us, or you will change after?
Well, I have received no such message, and I would regard such a message as totally unacceptable. The Egyptian government, I've already met the Egyptian ambassador to the European Union, and I've raised the issue I've raised it in the past with the Egyptian government. They've never accused me of interfering in the internal affairs of Egypt, to be fair to them, not so far. Their excuse was always that they do their best and they can't do any more. I'm not entirely convinced. There are lots of serious allegations that the police protection was withdrawn at the last minute. Now, at what level of government that's happening, I don't know, but much more must be done. And the idea of interfering in the internal affairs when it's the killing of innocents, I don't accept that either. This country has gone to war to protect people in the past, in the Western Balkans to protect Muslim communities in that case. So why can't we protect the Christian communities in other parts of the world? This is absolutely ridiculous. And also Egypt has certain agreements with the European Union. It has an association agreement which has human rights and democracy clauses within it. If Egypt doesn't live up to those standards, we have to suspend these agreements.
But they're all in the paper. There is no something, you know, all in the paper. It's nothing. We didn't see anything. Everything on the paper. You know, like people, Egypt is signing all that paper for nothing, but we're still doing it every year and every month. We have something like this. They never
just every year. Now is every day in a new. What's a new thing?
But this is only Egypt people. Egypt government is only signing a piece of paper. They never do anything to go towards this agreement. The agreement is just for a piece of paper for them.
Can I add one thing, please? After our protest today, they're going to go on Monday in front of Italy's embassy to protest against Italy interfere in the Egypt politics. They said we don't want anybody to protect the Christian Egypt, which is not right, because we need protection.
I just heard that from your bishop, that in fact that the Egyptian government's withdrawing its ambassador to the Vatican in protest. That to me is absolutely reprehensible, and I will condemn it in my speech on Thursday in Strasbourg.
Aggression, come on.
And the police themselves is shooting into the Christians. So if the police shooting into the Christians, security of the country shooting into the Christians, what else is left? This is the government themselves, plus the Muslim Brotherhood themselves, shooting into all the Christians.
If that policeman had a psychiatric record, he had no business to be in uniform or have a gun. These people who perpetrated these terrible crimes, and they must be brought to justice, and there must be no excuses in the courts. These people must be punished for their terrible crimes that they've done.
الشجعان قد قلت أمر America.